Every year, thousands of people face a life-changing moment, a spinal cord injury. But today, science is opening new doors that once seemed impossible. Any damage to the spinal cord is termed spinal cord injury. It's a very serious condition that can lead to physical trauma that's likely to have a lasting and major impact on most aspects of daily life. The spinal cord is responsible for sending messages from the brain to all parts of the body, and from the body to the brain. The spinal cord injury stem cell therapy in India acts primarily as a treatment that can improve the quality of life for the affected individuals. A spinal cord injury closer to the neck typically causes paralysis throughout a larger part of the body than one in the lower back area. Spinal cord stem cell treatment offers provision for a befitting treatment. Depending on the patient's condition, doctors may use autologous stem cells, cells taken from the patient's own body; allogeneic stem cells, cells from a healthy donor, expanded under strict guidelines. Stem cells are unique cells capable of transforming into specialized tissues. Several varieties of improvement are possible after the appropriate treatment, and our former patients have experienced the following: enhanced motor function, augmented sensation, reduced spasticity, reduced neuropathic pain, improved bladder and bowel function, better sweating function. The complete treatment journey usually includes: Day 1. Pickup from the airport to the hospital. Interaction between DR and patient to clear all their doubts at that time. Admission procedure. Clinical examination and lab tests will be done as prescribed by the doctor. Supportive therapy. Day 2. Stem cell procedure. Supportive therapies. Physiotherapy. Day 3. Supportive therapy. Physiotherapy. Discharging formalities. Drop back to the airport. The staff at Stem Cell Care India will call you following 1 month, 2 months and a half year to see the improvement of the treatment. The future of spinal cord injury treatment is transforming. Stem cell therapy is not magic. It's advanced science driven by research, innovation, and the desire to give patients a better life. And sometimes, even a small improvement can mean everything. At Stem Cell Care India, our primary goal is to provide the best technology available, the safety of which has been proven across the world.